Oh, this coffee's so good. It's been so long since I've made a video. I don't know how to sit. Maybe. No. All right. Well, I know it's been a long time since I made a video. Been way too long. And do I have an excuse? Do I have a reason? Kind of, not really. Well, okay, I kind of do have a reason. Let's talk about it. Well, okay, so I film on a Canon EOS M6 camera, and I got a Rode mic here. I'll just go ahead and tap it. Probably hearing a lot of static there. But what happened was, I plug my mic into my camera via the microphone port. And what happens before, I would plug it in and I get a ton of static. I made a video for you guys, and I pulled in my footage, and it took me like 20 minutes. I pulled in my footage, and it was awful. It was like tons and tons and tons and tons of static. And I thought, well, it might be the cord, it might be the mic. So I tried different mics. I tried this mic on other things, and it worked great. I tried other mics on the camera, and it was terrible. So I thought it had to be the camera. So I contacted the seller. I had them ship me a new one, and it took 2 days. I messaged them. I said, this is all the stuff I did. This is everything I needed. And they said, well, we'll send you a new one. So I sent one in 2 days. They shipped it out. They sent it back. I sent back my old one. And this one seems to be fine. I'm going to make some videos with it. I think it'll be fine. But that's why I didn't make a video for like a week. But I've been gone for a couple of weeks. And why didn't I make a video then? Well, I don't know if you can tell if the setting's different or the background's different. But I actually, I had some moving, moving items to deal with. People moving out, people moving in, stuff like that. So I had to do rearranging and moving and furniture and IKEA, all that stuff. So now I'm back. Now I'm ready to make videos. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. If you don't mind, leave some comments down below about what you want to see. I'm gonna be coming up with more developing videos. I've got a little sneak peek of a title. I got how to build a website for $12, and that's it. There's no like hidden fees. There's no special costs. That's it. So that'll be coming out soon, and I'm gonna start coming out with more videos. I'm gonna be switching to maybe Windows. I don't know. I like my Mac, but might be switching to Windows. We'll see. All right. Well, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.